You're watching a seed saving video brought to you by the Spokane County Library District. In this video, we'll be talking about how to save lovage seeds. A single lovage plant can produce a lot of seed. I speak from experience, as you can see. After your lovage plant shoots up to its 6 to 8 foot height, you will begin to see yellow umbrella-shaped flower clusters forming all over the taller stalks. These flowers will turn to seeds, and the seeds and stalks will begin to dry out. Cut the stem a couple of inches below the seed cluster and place in a paper bag. You'll want to leave them on the stalk as long as possible. You want them to be fairly dry when you cut them off of the stalks. But you do want to be aware that if you wait too long, the seeds will become fully dry and disconnect themselves. And you want to cut them before that happens so you can collect the seeds. Store the paper bag in a cool, dry place for a couple of weeks until the seeds are fully dry. Then, when the seeds are completely dry, you can shake the bag vigorously to release the seeds from the seed heads. Make sure the top of the bag is pretty tightly sealed, and then give it a good shake. As you can see, mine was not tightly sealed and a lot of the seeds came popping out. But with just a few hangers on there, we now have plenty of saved lovage seeds. Store this bag in a cool, dry location for the winter and plant the seeds in the spring. Properly saved lovage seeds will remain viable for 1 to 3 years in ideal conditions. The lovage plant is a perennial and should survive our Spokane winters, making this an ideal seed to share with your local seed libraries. You'll find engaging and free classes, programs, and events at our libraries at www.scld.org.